powerful Sangoma Nena claims he defeated the cyclone in Mozambique. A powerful Sangoma by the name Nena from Mozambique claims he killed Cyclone Idea, and he refers to the tropical cyclone as a mermaid. Nena is originally from Malawi and was raised in Mozambique according to rumours. The Sangoma, whom others are saying is a madman, recorded a live video on Facebook claiming he killed the cyclone, and showing some pictures which were not convincing. The live video and the Facebook account were later deleted. Cyclone Idai is a Category 3 cyclone that has made landfall in Mozambique on Thursday evening, bringing with it high wind speeds of up to 224 km per hour and rain. There are reports of damage and power cuts as the tropical cyclone made landfall and has claimed over 1,000 lives so far. The cyclone, named Tropical Cyclone Idai, is said to have gathering strength over the Indian Ocean.
Yeah.